Hey there, it's Krista with WTI. If you're someone who is always multitasking from your laptop, you know the pain of having to toggle back and forth between different screens to get to what you're working on. Well, since finding this Redalf screen extender set, that problem is solved. I'm loving how productive I've become using this product. Having three screens allows me to have my project dashboard open, edit documents on a second screen, and even monitor incoming emails, all without flipping through any tabs. The displays are just awesome. They're really sharp, they don't flicker, their color is vibrant, but also it's blue light protected, so I'm comfortable looking at them for hours. They're lightweight, rotatable, and at 15.6 inches, they're just the right size for ease of viewing. The screen stand is adjustable, so I can have both displays right above my laptop screen, but I can also set it up to one side if I want it right at eye level. I can even take the display off of the stand and transfer it onto a separate tripod stand. I'm not super techy, so it was a very pleasant surprise that they were pretty easy to set up. The parts were all clearly labeled, the instructions were clear and easy to follow, and they came with a variety of adapters to assure that I could connect to my laptop. It even came with this beautiful hard shell case and screen protectors so that when I do transport them, all of the equipment is safe and sound. So if your goal is to become more efficient while working from your laptop, this Red Elf screen extender set is an absolute must-have. And that's my point of view.